He wants you back, but he feels betrayed.
He betrayed us.
You broke the rules. Just tell me what it is. It is all he wants to give you anything will be like it was. Please.
Welcome back. I see you brought friends. What is this?
After you left, he went crazy. He killed Kessler, threatened us all. We want to collect the bounty on him, but we cannot get close enough.
We can help you with that.
Come, head there.
What is wrong with him?
He ate blood mushrooms. You'll be lucky if he survives the night. Come, come have a drink with us. We're friends have such fun. My husband makes the jobs beautiful. Told you.